Do you want to fit into those jeans that have been wasting space in your closet for far too long? Do you have a big event coming up this weekend? Maybe you're getting married, going to a high school reunion. You've lost all you can, but you still have a few inches to go and you think all time is lost. Maybe not. I'm Shannon with Curvy Girl TV, and I'm standing in front of Suddenly Slimmer in Los Angeles, California, where they claim you can take up to 20 inches off in just one 60-minute session. And they guarantee you'll take at least 6 inches off. Let's go take a look. Since this is my first time here, the process should take about an hour and a half. After I fill out the standard paperwork, I'll be taken in the back, weighed and measured, and then wrapped in bandages that have been soaking in a secret combination of minerals. The process of wrapping me should take about 20 minutes. Then I'll be put on an elliptical trainer or trampoline for a low-intensity workout for 60 minutes that's going to help with circulation. Thank you so much for inviting us to Suddenly Slimmer.
Oh, my pleasure. Welcome.
Can you tell us a little bit about your Slim Wraps?
Sure. The Slim Wrap is a 100% inorganic mineral body wrap, which is not a dehydration wrap. And the way it works is that it pulls the waste, toxins, impurities, and excess water out of your fat cells and replenish with minerals, therefore shrinking the fat cells and making you look slimmer, tone and tightening up of the skin, and helps reduce the appearance of cellulite.
Can you target specific body parts with a Slim Wrap?
Absolutely, yes. Wherever you want us to focus, we can wrap you tighter and therefore losing more.
Do you have a lot of plus-size clients here at Suddenly Slimmer?
Absolutely, yes. It works for both skinny and plus size. It works great on both clients, yes.
A lot of people naturally think that this is just a way to lose water weight and that it's a temporary fix and it will come back. Is that true?
Absolutely not. This is not a water weight body wrap. This is a detox mineral body wrap. You're not losing water weight, therefore you're not losing pounds, you're only losing inches. And you're losing if you're retaining extra water, you will be losing that, but it's not a water weight body wrap.
And how fast can you expect results with this?
Right after the first wrap, when we remeasure you, you will look and you will feel slimmer.
And typically, do clients come in time and time again?
Yes, there are clients who come in once or twice a week to begin. That's how they lose more inches, and then maintenance every 4 to 6 weeks.
I bet this is a popular service for the brides of the area. Do you typically get mostly brides here?
We get all kinds of clients, from brides to people who need to go to an event, for people who are on a weight loss program and they want to help speed it up and tighten the skin at the same time, all kinds of clients.
Can you take me through the process of your Slim Wraps?
Absolutely. Clients come in, we do before and after measurements. We start measuring from the arms, upper area, midriff, thighs, around the thighs, hips, and legs. And then we start wrapping the clients with ACE bandages soaked in 100% inorganic minerals. We start wrapping from feet up all the way to the head, okay? And then we put on plastic bags, and then they exercise for 1 hour. The plastic bags are in order to get everything that's coming out. Your skin is the largest organ of your body, therefore system of elimination and absorption. So when the toxins, impurities, and excess water eliminate, they get straight into the bags.
And they wrap around your chin here on one of your clients, and that's to focus on a specific area, correct?
Yes, right here. Double neck, double chin. If your face is swollen up, if you're retaining water in your face, this is excellent.
Thank you so much for inviting us here to Suddenly Slimmer. It's been a pleasure to meet you, and I look forward to my wrap soon.
Oh yeah, thank you very much. Pleasure.
I'm all finished with my body wrap. I was tightly wrapped in ACE bandages and basted several times, then did 45 minutes of light exercise. I sloshed around in plastic bags, which caught the excess mineral water that oozed out of my bandages. Was it all worth it? Did I lose that 6 inches as promised? Yes. My friend Laura lost 14 inches, and I lost 15 inches, and Lisa lost an amazing 20.1 inches. We all felt energized and refreshed after the wrap, and our clothes felt looser. If you're looking to lose a few inches fast, this is something you should definitely consider. You can save money by buying the items online and doing a wrap at home, but we recommend going to the salon and doing it professionally for the best results. Here are some tips to make your wrap the most successful. Bring a pair of spare undergarments to put on after your wrap is complete. Shower prior to your wrap. Keep in mind the minerals continue to work up to 24 hours, so if you're doing it for a big event, go no less than 36 hours before. Drink a lot of water before and after your wrap. It's important to stay hydrated. Speak up. Let the technician know your areas that you want to focus on and ask for advice. The face wrap is worth the extra money, especially if you want to minimize the double chin. For best results, you may want to come back for subsequent wraps. Check with your doctor before your wrap if you are unsure if you're physically able to do the wrap. The body wrap is not a substitute for healthy eating or exercise, but the wrap is a great addition to any weight loss program and a perfect way to rid your body of those stubborn inches. I'm Chandra Chase, reporting for Curvy Girl TV, and that's a wrap.